Okay, good day, guys. Let's take a look at Euro JPY for the week. Now, sorry for making this video very late. I had an issue with the channel that I'm trying to resolve. So, if you are watching this and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, now let's take a look at this because that this is actually clearly a bearish move. So, this week that just finished, we can see that Euro JPY actually gave us a bullish move. We actually opened and closed bullish. So, this week that we are trying to predict for or we are talking about, definitely Euro JPY will actually close bearish. So expect a drop this week on Euro JPY. So I'll tell you why. First, we can see that this is a downtrend move, right? We can see a lower lows and a lower highs playing out. One, we can also see that this price is also trading below our 10-period simple moving average. So this will be seen as a lows, a pullback, right? Then another lows that took out the previous lows. Then let's see this to be a pullback, and now another lows that's been made that took out these previous lows. If we take a look at this, this will be seen as a pullback. Then another lows has been made here that took out the previous lows there. So now we'll be expecting we see that there was kind of like a pullback. This is one of the reasons why a bullish move is actually showing here. You can see that the bullish move is showing here. So this week we would expect EURJPY to actually drop again for this week, thereby closing bearish. So that is it. EURJPY expect a drop. If you take a look at your JPY index, I've done analysis. If you take a look at the daily time frame, you see that this is just like a pullback. We will be expecting an impulse move this week. Now see it this way. If you take a look at this to be an highs, then you see this to be an higher lows, then a new high is being formed there, then an higher lows here, a new higher highs that took out the previous highs, right? And then an higher lows that is being formed there on EURJPY. If you take a look at this, this is a new highs that took out this previous highs, and now this is a correction on an higher lows. So once this correction is over, then expect an impulse move or a bullish move on JPY. So once this JPY go bullish, then definitely on your daily time frame, expect this euro to JPY drop. So once JPY is going bullish, any other pairs you are trading to your JPY will definitely drop. So this is one of the reasons why this week we'll be expecting a drop on euro JPY. Now see this move. Let's start it from here. Let's take a look at this move, right? To be a lows, and here happens to be a pullback, right? You can see there's another drop, and then here comes again. Price rejected, did not break this highs. Then price actually dropped. We can see this is a pullback here. So let's see this price push up a bit. I think for about not more than 100 pips. Let's just see if price will go bullish for 100 pips. So actually take out this candlestick which you can see here, this liquidity level. Maybe that will be 100 pips, which I don't think it will happen. But if in case price will push up, then we should actually take out this liquidity level. Then price will definitely drop to this lows, which is at a level of 137. So by the way, we are expecting euro to JPY give us a bearish move this week. Now we can see on the forward time frame, like I said, if in case this price will push up, we should be able to see take out this liquidity level, which is this candlestick wick sticking at the top. That should give us about 100 pips before we actually get that drop on euro JPY. I don't think it will happen. I think it will actually drop. But if in case price push up, then definitely we should find a rejection at this level, whereby price will now drop for the week on euro JPY.